You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
Have you ever told yourself, I just need better SOPs, standard operating procedures, or maybe you don't even have them, just getting an SOP and then I'll be free? I want to show you why that really actually hasn't worked in my business and what finally changed everything for me. Because most founders have a folder full of half-finished SOPs, ideas in their head for them, and still feel like their team can't move without them. So let me show you how I fix that and how my AI assistant does all of my SOP writing for me now. There was a point in my business where I had SOP guilt. I knew I needed them, so I started writing them. And then I got busy again. So all the systems stayed in my head. I'd write half an SOP, tell my PM, my project manager, what I wanted, then have to rewrite her first draft because it wasn't what I was telling them. And it felt like more work. And honestly, I started to think that SOPs were just more of a fancy to-do list until I realized I don't need to write more SOPs. My AI business team does it for me now. You see, here's what changed. I built an AI assistant inside my own business, one that knows my own voice, my workflows, how I like things done. Now, when I complete a process, I just send a voice note or a few bullet points, and my SOP assistant turns it into a clean, detailed, easy to follow process doc. It organizes all the steps, adds context, builds checklists, and documents the whole thing for my team in my voice, in the format that they're used to, that I like, with zero micromanagement on my part. And this is what I help my clients build too, because this one AI teammate can change everything for you. Most founders think they need to be the one writing the SOPs, but what they really need is a clear execution system, defined standards for what the process looks like, and an AI teammate that can capture their whole process while they do the work. And that's how I run a lean, profitable business without writing long docs or hiring ops managers to document every move. I actually do this in all areas of my business. AI handles it and my team follows it. No guessworks, no gaps. One of my clients, we're going to call her Megan, came in with a Google Drive full of SOP drafts. She said, I keep starting them, Kristen, but then I get pulled into delivery, content, or client issues. Does that sound familiar? We installed her SOP assistant week 1. Within 14 days, her AI had documented her full onboarding process, client handoff, and weekly content flow. Her VA then started following it. Guess what? Megan's stress started disappearing. And she told me, it feels like I've finally cloned myself. And this clone is actually organized and thinks like me. So here's the thing. SOPs on their own don't change your business. Living systems, documented by AI and implemented by AI, they do. And this is what most coaches and consultants are missing. They think they're disorganized, but they're just unsupported. AI teammates can help fill this gap in every part of the business. Imagine finishing a task and having it instantly turned into a repeatable SOP or system that your team can follow for every part of your business. And that's what I live with every day and what I install for every one of my clients. If you're tired of feeling like the only person on your team or in your business who knows how things work in your business, let's change that fast. Book a call and I'll show you exactly how to install your own AI-powered SOP system and how to map out the systems and implement the AI business team that will finally let your business and your team move forward without you. Click the link below and let's make execution simple, documented, and scalable without you having to do it all yourself.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.